So what we've noticed over the years, having coached thousands of busy executive men to get into shape, is that they genuinely struggle with these three things. And that's managing their nutrition, being consistent with their workouts, and having the right support system and accountability to keep them on track, and having a plan that's easy to follow that guarantees results. So what I thought would be handy for you to see today is the sort of systems that we like to implement with the men inside our flagship program, and how we ensure they get results within a 12-week window. So if you're someone that's been struggling with their weight and you want to get in the best shape of your life, you can simply just copy the things that I'm about to share with you. So let's head over to the computer and let's take it from there. So let me show you how we help our clients lose anywhere between, say, 20 to 30 pounds in as little as 12 weeks. So this is the software that we use, and what I've done, I've just put together an example plan with a client and to show you the sort of systems that we use to help our guys get incredible results. So dashboard, pretty self-explanatory, just a couple of progress tabs on here with their weight, body fat, resting heart rate, lean mass. And then when it comes to steps, sleep and calories burnt, this is important that we track, and this is linked to their wearable devices such as Apple Health or Fitbit, that then gets pulled in, and it's all under one place to manage, which is super efficient. So let's actually get into the plan here. Now, what we like to do at the start, so let's just say this plan starts on the 4th of November, is we like to start with a 3-day training split. That's what we've tested and found to have the best results. Not too little and not too much exercise as well at the start. So what we've done here is a full body workout on a Monday and a full body workout on a Friday. And then we also like to do some form of cardiovascular exercise, because it's not just about losing weight, it's about becoming fitter and healthier. So we do that by tracking VO2 max. So we have some aerobic exercise on a Wednesday here. Now with the workouts here, we've gone for full body in this example because that's what most guys kind of start with. It's the most effective compound movements, compound workouts, burn more calories and get you stronger in quicker time. So as you can see here, I've put together a quick workout with all the exercises, the sets, the reps, the weight, and even the rest period between sets. And then we also have like a video explanation to show you how to perform the movement as well for each of the exercises, as you can see. So that's on full body A on Monday, full body B on a Friday as well, but obviously a different workout. Now this can be at gym or at home, it doesn't really matter, it's whatever fits the client's needs. Now when it comes to the cardiovascular, we like to start with say 15 to 20 minutes in heart rate zone 2, doing a cycle, and then what we do is we track VO2 max throughout the 12 weeks. Now, the men we work with tend to have desk jobs and they tend to suffer with lower back issues. So what we've done here is we have in-house coaches that specialize in different areas. So for example, Nathan here is very good at agility and flexibility classes. So this is a follow along workout.
Welcome everybody to,
as you can see, that you just do at home, and it takes sort of 17 minutes max. Now with exercise as well and the training program, what we like to do is to over the weeks ensure that people are getting stronger, and I also encourage you to track your weights and your numbers, and we do that by just obviously using the software to go to the progression sheet here, and we can just make sure that week on week our clients are getting stronger each week. Okay, so that's overview of exercise. Now let's go back to the calendar. Now let's look at nutrition. Now with nutrition, we have 5 or 6 systems that we like to implement with each client, and it's all about at what stage and at what level they're at with nutrition. Some people are at the base level, so we start right at the start, and some people are more advanced and love the data. They can go straight to tracking calories, right? So generally speaking, what we like to use, and I've talked about this before on my channel, is portion guidelines for the first 2 weeks. Now, why have we found this to be great? Because it's a very easy and effective way for people to start tracking food and start tracking portion sizes, but they only have to use their palms. So it's very, very easy. As you can see here, we're tracking carbs, fats, veggies, and protein, but only using our palms here. So we run that for 2 weeks, and then when the client's seen a result and they're happy to move on and move up a level, then we then make it a little bit, we tighten up the nutrition a little bit and give them something a bit more in depth. So with some people, they like to track calories, which is great. So I generally start most people at 2000 calories. But again, what we do with our clients is when you go into the software here, you can see, based on their body type, their gender, age, and how active they are, we then set the calories here based on the balanced approach, medium carbs and medium fats. And then we can also dictate and predict how much weight that client will lose per week based on these numbers. So 1 kilo per week is a little bit aggressive, so I like to go more around here, 0.8, which is roughly 1.5 pounds per week. So that's another way of doing it. Another way of doing it is by doing a meal plan. Now we have hundreds and hundreds of meals that I can put together for someone that allows for a bit of flexibility. And what's really good about this is it takes away tracking calories, it takes away all the guesswork. You just need to prep these meals each day or have them prepped for you, and then you know that you won't go over your calorie limit. So here you have a juice, for example, a salad, and then a shrimp, a pasta shrimp here. Now what's really powerful about this, not only does it give you the serving size, the ingredients, how to prep it here, it even gives you a video as well of how to actually prepare the food. So very useful information. And this is so powerful, in fact, that it even gives you a shopping list of the things you need to buy for that week in order to have all these meals. And honestly, we have hundreds. We've got smoothies, sandwiches. I think we've even have an English breakfast option as well. So, very comprehensive. But again, with nutrition, it's about identifying what works for you or for the client and what they see themselves doing long term. That's very, very important. So let's go back to the calendar here. Now, things that we like to also keep a tab on are things such as habits that are aligned with their goals. Normally it's things like to improve health, so better sleep, better recovery, making sure the client's getting enough steps each week as well. So that's something that we like to track. So we have some embedded habits here. For example, to have a digital detox before bed, an hour before bed is always a good one. And then we also like to track some steps here. 5,000 in the first kind of 4 weeks. And with steps, the goal is for people after the 12 weeks to be around 8 to 10,000 steps per day. But obviously we build up to that. Now, in terms of accountability, what we do is we have, and again, I recommend everyone does this on their own journey, is we have a once a week check-in where we check in some data here in terms of some measurements. We don't need all of them, just things like chest and waist are the most important. And then your body weight, your body fat, your body composition, and then your BMI as well. And then what we do is we ensure that each week we're seeing results. So that's a form of accountability that we like to track. That's once a week. And then we do pictures as well every other week. And what else? Let me now go to the progress tab. Now on here, we like to track pictures. That's just me. And then here we have things like, obviously, things like body weight, body fat, lean mass, fat-free mass, BMI, resting heart rate, blood pressure. Honestly, we can track everything and anything. It's just about whether the client has use of that information and whether we want to keep it as simple as possible or as complex, or not as complex is the wrong word, but more as comprehensive as the client wants. Some people love the data and they want to know all the ins and outs. Some people just want, Eddie, just tell me what I need to do in order to see really good results. So that's on there. And then let's go back to the tab on here. Now, what we also like to do is to have a coaching call once a week, and then we use that coaching call to essentially build the program out together. So I could never build someone's week 2 until we did week 1. Okay, so that's pretty much how the program works. It evolves over time. So let's just say this program started on the 4th of November, then we could expect to reach this client's results on this plan around the 26th or the 2nd of Feb of next year. So most guys in our program lose 1.5 pounds per week as an average, but obviously the weight loss is a byproduct of all the other health markers that have been improved, right? Fitter, stronger, healthier. It's not just about weight loss. Obviously weight loss is a byproduct of all the other good stuff. So that's the average. Some people more, some people a little bit less. We have a chat feature, so in contact with the clients every day as well. And that's pretty much it, really. I think the most important thing with this is that you start slow, build up some momentum, make sure that you're having some form of coaching around nutrition, and that you start to build momentum and you aim to have at least 1.5 pounds of weight loss per week. That's the sweet spot. We've tried a little bit faster, a little bit slower, but 1.5 seems to give the best results. Now look, if this is something that you're still struggling with and you want to just have a bit more information and know how we can implement these strategies into your plan, then you'll find a link down in the description of this video that says work with me. Click on that. It's a very short application form. I'll personally respond to you. We'll probably jump on a Zoom and I'll show you how this would look for you and the type of results that you could expect within a 12-week window. But anyway, I'd like to keep this one short. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon.